Now, are you tired of being broke and having no money, but you got a pickup truck and some hustle?
If so, then you are in the right place because we started this business with just a pickup truck, and today we're going to show you how we make money.
Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of trash, from junk finds to hoarder houses.
And we're your hosts.
I'm Matt.
I'm Julio.
I'm JoJo, and we're your favorite trash talkers and business motivators.
On this channel, we're all about turning trash into cash. Every day in the junk world, it's like a modern day treasure hunt.
So if you want to get inspired, motivated, learn how to make some extra cash, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Now let's get this money. Now in the trash business, a lot of times it's easy money. We pull up to a job, we load up, and we're done in 10 minutes. But today we have no idea what we're getting into.
Today we're going to Guerneville, and that is a place that is known to have houses that have a lot of stairs. So we often don't know until we get there how many stairs we're going to have to climb to get to the junk. So we are at the first job of the day, and this job came from a realtor. So you got to network with your local realtors.
And it's a beautiful property. Check this out.
And this house is like a resort. Check out the name.
And these are the stairs we're dealing with today.
Now leave a comment down below and let me know what would you charge for this job. It's a full load plus there's some stairs.
Now, one of the great things about junk removal is when you do jobs, you're going to come across some great stuff. These are things that they are giving away, and they got these from Tahoe. So if you have a pool or you like to go to the lake, you're definitely going to keep these or put them online, Facebook Marketplace.
Underlay, arriba.
Sorry, I'm thinking about going swimming already.
Now this house has a beautiful view, and that's one of me and JoJo's next goals, is getting a house on the water.
And just like that, 45 minutes later, and the job is done.
You should hear them in the vehicle right now. They're saying, "It's cold, Matt, turn the heater on. It's cold. It's freezing." Am I wrong or no?
It's cold out here. One thing you want to do when you are at a job is look for opportunities to upsell. Whether it's an old play set or an old hot tub or even some boats. That's exactly what Matt did. He seen some boats on the side of the lawn and he asked the customer, "What's your plans with the boats?" So he upselled that, and we have to go back.
So we're back for round number 2.
Now you won't believe what we got paid to take. Check this out. We got 2 aluminum boats, and we can definitely sell these for $500 a piece. Or you know what? We can keep them and go out fishing on the river. 2 of these, Julio. We done came up. That's why I love the trash business.
Now, what do you think we charge to haul these boats away? Leave it in the comments down below.
So this is a 14-foot Valco aluminum boat. And this one is what? A Miro craft boat? I'm keeping this one right here, the Valco. JoJo, hop in this boat. This thing is badass. A little bit dirty. I will have to pressure wash it. But you know what? It's pretty stable with my fat ass in here. And I wanted one of these too, really bad. So we can go fishing, get in the toolies, beat it up, and go striper fishing. You know what? We might take this out this weekend, JoJo.
Fun.
You can take it out right now if you want.
You want to? Yeah, we can go right here on the river. Check it out. What a house, huh? This is a beautiful house. So we charged this much to haul these away. Now my neighbor's gonna love us. I got 1 boat there, and I got 2 more boats coming. JoJo, I can't believe it. I was manifesting about getting 1 aluminum boat, and I got 2.
It's awesome. Junk removal is so great.
Now, if you're out there struggling and lost and you don't know what to do in life, trust me, I've been there. 10 years ago, I was homeless. I went from being homeless to jail, from jail to rehab, from rehab to working a job I hated, to starting my own business and changing my life. And it all started because of a pickup truck I bought, believing in myself, having the right mindset, and going out there and getting it. So if you're broke and sitting on that couch watching this video right now, trust me, I've been there before.
And maybe junk removal's not for you. There's other things you can do with a pickup truck. You can do pressure washing, landscaping, handyman. There's all kinds of jobs you can start with a pickup truck. So now that you have your side hustle idea, you have to figure out how you're going to get your phone to ring. So what you have to do is get on all free social media platforms. You want to be on Facebook, Instagram, you want to have a website, you want to network with people in your area and let everyone know that you've started a business and this is what you're doing. And before you know it, your phone will start ringing.
Now, your phone's not going to ring at first because you got to put in the work. Remember, you just started a business and no one knows who you are.
You have to be consistent every single day in posting and letting people know that you started a business and what you're doing. Now we're at job number 2, and this person found us on social media.
Now, there's actually more than a full load here. This sectional couch goes, and that's about a half load right there. And then we have more trash inside the house. That desk, that end table, and all this stuff right here. All right, young grasshopper, go tackle that, handle that, smack him upside the head with the price.
I got you guys.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, you guys drive safe, okay? Bye, guys.
So we got one full load out of there, and there's about a quarter load left, and Julio's gonna go tackle the rest.
Now, today is one of them days when people say, oh, I got like a full load. You get there, and guess what? There's way more stuff there than they thought.
So people often ask us, how do we get paid? We typically get paid when the job is complete. And how people pay, they often want to pay with a credit card. So we like to use the Clover Flex. You just put the credit card in, it even prints out a receipt and gives them a tip option, so you'll receive more tips.
Now, we are done for the day, and we worked 6 hours and made this much money.
Bomb, chicka, wah, wah.
And we found some more cool stuff. Check this out. We found a cool cow. This bag right here has a bull on it. Damn, JoJo, I should have been a cowboy instead of a D-boy back in the day. And we also found this bag right here for the JoJo. And it's brand spanking new, still with the tag.
Still has the tags, and I love it.
Now, if you want to make more money and get more leads and learn the business even more, JoJo, where should they go?
You should come to the Junk Expo.
It's going down October 24th and the 25th in Sonoma County. It's a 2-day event, and we have a bunch of guest speakers. We got people flying in from the Philippines, Canada, New York, New Jersey, all over the world.
Yeah, so if you want to learn more about the junk business, come and meet Matt and I and listen to all kinds of speakers that will give you knowledge to grow your business. You should come to the Junk Expo. As we're walking into the house, we find out Julio got a $200 tip.
Autopilot will become your one-stop shop for everything you need to build and grow your junk removal business. It's called Autopilot, and it's because we intend on doing a lot of features automatically for you that makes your life easier. We're gonna have a phone system, call tracking, ad tracking. Combine these 3 tools, you get powerful data. We're gonna have marketing sequences, SMS blasts, email blasts, voicemail blasts, mass postcard. Make a sequence with whatever you want. We're gonna have some really awesome pre-built ones that are very powerful. So you don't have to switch to Go High Level. You don't have to go to Call Rail. This is gonna help you guys take your business to the next level. Here's the cool part, guys. It's only $49 a month.